Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to unbox, test and review the TOZO HT2 hybrid active noise cancelling wireless headphones. Hopefully my video will give you all the information you need about this product. Inside the box you'll find the headphones, a USB cable to charge the headphones, an audio cable to use the headphones in wide mode, a user manual and a quick start guide. Now let's take a look at the headphones themselves. They look stylish and are available in various colours including black, blue, red, khaki, pink and more. The headphones feature ultra-soft protein leather ear cups for enhanced comfort. You can also adjust their angle to suit different head shapes. The headphones are adjustable to suit different head sizes. They are wireless, equipped with built-in battery that can last up to 60 hours of playtime. If the battery runs out, you can easily switch to wired mode using the provided audio cable. The headphones are foldable, making them highly portable and easy to store in your bags or travel cases. They also feature a hybrid active noise cancelling system with 3 active noise cancelling microphones delivering effective noise control across a wide frequency range. Additionally, they come with environmental noise cancellation technology, allowing you to have clear conversations even in noisy environments. Now let's check out the controls. First you have the power button. Press and hold for 3 seconds to turn on or off. Single press to play or pause songs. The same button can be used to answer or end calls. Long press to reject incoming calls and triple press to activate the voice assistant. Next you have the plus and minus buttons. Short press the plus button to increase the volume. Short press the minus button to decrease the volume. Long press the plus button to skip to the next track. Long press the minus button to return to the previous track. Press and hold both buttons simultaneously to restore factory settings. After that, you have the audio port for wired listening with the included audio cable. Then you have the USB-C port for charging the headphones. Next you have the microphone allowing you to make phone calls, followed by the noise cancellation button. Noise cancelling mode is enabled by default. Short press to disable noise cancelling, another short press to switch to transparency mode, double press to activate adaptive noise cancelling mode, double press again to return to normal noise cancelling mode. Additionally, you can connect the headphones to the TOZO app. This app allows you to adjust the noise cancelling setting, so you can choose between noise cancellation, transparency mode, reduce wind noise, among others. You can also customize the equalizer to your liking by adjusting the equalizer settings. Overall, the TOZO HT2 headphones offer an impressive package with stylish looks, excellent sound, long battery life, strong noise cancellation capabilities and customizable audio through the TOZO app. They are a practical choice for anyone looking for affordable, high-performing wireless headphones that are great for both travel and daily use. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more quick tips and reviews here on Quick Tips 2.